Here I got some leftover mashed potatoes. I haven't mashed them up yet. And I have chicken broth. A whole liter of chicken broth in there. And I do have some leftover carrots I'm going to put in later. I guess I can mash this up. Now if you don't have leftover potatoes, what you do is you can boil 3 or 4 potatoes. This is the last of the 6 potatoes that I cooked here. I'm just going to put them in here and then I'm going to mash them. I'm going to leave at least 1 potato whole so I can, like that. So it's just not all creamy in the soup pot. And I'll just leave this for chunkiness. I'm going to mash these up. And this will thicken everything up in the pot. I'm going to add about 1/2 cup of milk. I'll just put it in here. And 1/2 cup. Just get all that flour mixture. Stir. In that I'm going to add about this much butter. It's been about 2 minutes now. The butter hasn't melted yet. But it is thickening up a little bit. Now I'm going to just add the rest of the potatoes. But I'm not going to mash these. Just put them in there. I've got bacon bits. Don't want that in there. It's a seal pack, I guess, for moisture. There it is there. And if you want to top it off with some sour cream, just put sour cream on the top.